Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about how the insertion sort technique will be performed in the given set of elements into a sorting order. Okay. Now let us see how the operation will be performed. In this insertion sort technique, we will have two different types of list. One is sorted list and the second one is unsorted list. In the sorted list, we will have the items which we are sorted earlier, and in the unsorted list the remaining elements will be present. Okay, these are the given list of elements, and by using these elements we need to perform the insertion sort operation, and we need to take all these elements in the sorting order. Okay, see, I am considering this as a sorted one. I mean, this element is considered as the sorted list, and the remaining all the elements are considered as unsorted list. Okay, this is the sorted one, and all these elements are considered as unsorted list. Okay, see, now I am considering the second element, which is 5. Okay, and I am moving this element 5 to the sorting list. Okay, while moving the element from the unsorted list to sorted list, we need to consider whether the element is the smaller number or the greater number. See, I am moving 5 to the sorted list. Okay, see, 5 is smaller than 6, so I am placing 5 here and 6 is taken here. These two elements will be present in the sorted list. Okay, and the remaining elements will be 3, 1, 8, 7, 2 and 4. Okay, this is the sorted one and this is the unsorted one. Okay, now I need to consider this element from the unsorted list, and I need to compare 3 to these two elements in the sorted list. 3 is smaller than 5 and 3 is smaller than 6. So I am placing 3 here. 3, 5, 6. Okay, this is the sorted list. And the remaining elements are 1, 8, 7, 2, 4. Okay, now you need to consider 1 from the unsorted list, and you need to compare with all these elements in the sorted list. 1 is smaller than 3, so I am placing 1 here. 1, 3, 5, 6, and the remaining elements are 8, 7, 2, 4. Now I need to consider the 8 element in the unsorted list, and I need to compare 8 with the elements in the sorting order. Okay, 8 is greater than 1, so here we are not supposed to place 8 in this position. So I am comparing 8 with 3. Okay, the second element in the sorted list. Okay, 8 is compared with 3. 8 is greater than 3, so I am not considering this also. Now I need to compare 8 with 5. 8 is greater than 5, so here also we are not supposed to place the element. And 8 is compared with 6. Here also 8 is greater than 6, so here also we are not supposed to place element 8 in the list. So I am placing element 8 in the end of the list, as it is greater than all the other numbers in the sorting list. Okay, now the remaining elements are 7, 2 and 4. Okay, now I need to consider the element 7, and I need to compare with these elements in the sorting list. Okay, 7 is greater than 1, 7 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 5, 7 is greater than 6. Okay, see, in this case I am considering 7 with 8. Okay, 7 is smaller than 8, so I need to insert the element 7 in this position. Okay, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. and the remaining elements are 2 and 4. So here we are left with 2 elements. Now I am considering element 2 in the unsorted list, and I am comparing element 2 with all these elements in the sorting list. I am comparing element 2 with 1. 2 is greater than 1, so there is no chance of placing here. Now I am comparing element 2 with element 3. 2 is smaller than 3, so I can insert 2 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have left only with one element in the unsorted list, and I am considering this element 4. Now I need to compare this element 4 with all these elements in the sorted list. I am comparing element 4 with first element in the sorted list, that is element 1. 4 is greater than 1, so I cannot insert the element 4 here. So I am comparing element 4 with 2. 4 is greater than 2. Here also there is no possibility of performing the insertion operation. Comparing element 4 with 3. 4 is greater than 3. Here also there is no possibility. Now I am comparing element 4 with 5. 4 is smaller than 5, so I can insert the element 4 in this position. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, see, by this we don't left any elements in the unsorted list, and all the elements we have compared with the sorted list, and the final result is also in the sorting order. Okay.